Welcome back, guys. In this video we replaced the rear brake line on the Mk1 Golf. Yeah, okay, I didn't have any luck with the NCT this time, but this brake line here, they said it was corroded just there, which I suppose it is and it isn't, but anyway. What I'm going to do is, now that the strut is out of the way in the last video, I'm going to undo the nut here that holds on the brake line and go all the way in there and do that one as well, which is an absolute pain to do. And the only way to get to that nut is to drop the whole rear axles. Now with the strut out of the way, I should be able to access that nut, which, yep, looks like there's loads of room, or within reason, loads of room. Okay, now it's finally undone. So what I ended up doing was breaking the brake line just here at the joint, putting a deep socket onto it because there was a bit of a pipe still sticking out, putting a 14 behind it to lock it on this side, say like just there, but on the other side of that, in there. So that's 14 locked inside, that's 11, and then just gave it a quick spin with the impact and broke it free. So no matter what I tried with the correct spanners and everything, it was just not coming off. So that was the best way to do it, and definitely the line's broken now anyway, so it has to be replaced. And of course the easy side that was easy to get to comes off nice and easy. Ta-da. Oops. Okay, it's off now. Yeah, it was definitely time to replace that line. It was very rusty. Okay, so I got a new pipe made up. There's a bubble flare at that end, same at that end. New ferrule at that end, but they used the original one at this end. Copper pipe, so it's all now ready to be installed. Yeah, about there. Okay, let's install it next. And ta-da! It's finally in! So what we did was, we put in the nut here at the top, the more difficult one, do that one first. Bring the line down, turn 90 degrees. Put the second nut in, or the ferrule just in there. Then you can shape the brake line to how it's meant to look. So it clips in here, it's nice and high up here so it doesn't rub off. This comes down this way and then just swings in 90 degrees. And it should be out of the way of the wheel. So now that that's all done, time to get the suspension back in, put the wheel back on, button it all up. Then we can use our number 7 spanner and bleed the brakes. That's now the new brake line all back together again. So thanks for watching, see you later.